Hey guys, welcome back to the last part of the Christmas special. Today's video is going to be based around us decorating gingerbread houses. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. But I've got some friends coming over from London. I've got my friend Kirsty and Jamie, and I've also got my brother's girlfriend Emily is going to be doing the competition as well. I say competition in a loose term, you know.
You didn't tell me it was a competition. You said it was a fun activity. When did it get competitive?
Kirsty, it's always a competition. Just thought we'd make it a little bit kind of fun. So since this is the last part, I just thought I'd throw in all the rest of the little Christmassy things. Today is actually officially the last day that it's going to be like cold in the UK. So this morning, super early, I went out on a little adventure. I'm outside braving the like -5 just to get some last shots because today is the last day of it being really nice and icy and cold. Tomorrow temperature's going up. When I say up, I mean it's going up to like 5 degrees, but it's not going to be like a winter wonderland, unfortunately. I do feel so lucky that we've had just a little bit of cold. I got my dream. I got a little bit of really nice British winter. So that's kind of fun, but yeah. It's gonna be basically the weather forecast for next week is kind of 10 degrees and chucking it down with rain all week. So that's not quite as nice when it's all grey and miserable. My mum just described it as like living under a rock. That's kind of what it's like. Last day of this beautiful crisp. Look how beautiful that orange light is in the sun. Ah, Mum's got the same idea. She's coming out to get some photos. We're both walking around in our dressing gowns. Ooh, definitely coming to the limit of filming because my hands have gone numb. This is crazy. Look at this. Frozen rose. My hands are absolutely frozen. Can't feel them. So let's get back inside. Let's jump back into the warm. Nice to be back by the fire again. I've obviously got dressed and sorted since wandering around in my dressing gown, and yeah, my friends are turning up in about an hour. We decided to get pre-made gingerbread houses just to make it a little bit quicker because let's be honest, the decorating part is the best part about doing those. So yeah, let's get into that. First Christmas activity of the day is making butterbeer.
Does anyone fancy a butterbeer?
Yeah, I bought some butterbeer, actually bought it from the like online shop. So and it comes obviously in a bottle, but I wanted to make the topping like the proper stuff that you get at the studio. Oh my god, I really want some butterbeer. Oh my god.
What's it taste like?
It's like butterscotch. Oh my god, it's so good.
So good.
Cannot believe that I have never tried butterbeer before. It's like cream soda, but with butterscotch cream on top. New favourite drink. I'm gonna try and recreate this somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try. Which is just beyond epic. So yeah, I'm just making some of that at the moment. So I've basically made the topping out of whipping cream, butterscotch syrup, and icing sugar. Oh, that proper butterbeer, hey? Oh yeah, that's it. That's the stuff. That's really awesome. A dollop.
It is an actual
Look.
It reminds me of Mrs. Doubtfire.
1 lump or 2. Yeah. I love that scene. It's a great scene. Come on, tea, 1 lump or 2. This is the taste test to see if it's any good. It's pretty good. It's really good. That actually tastes pretty similar to what you can get at the studios. I'm very happy right now. We are set up. We've got all of our decoration stuff here. This is like what's inside the box. This is kind of the plain gingerbread bits, and this is what it comes with. It comes with a few little bits as well, and some icing.
Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness.
Oh, look at that! Taking a quick break from construction because the sunset looks really beautiful. As suspected, it's all completely defrosted now. It's all well, not warm, but no more ice or frost. It's all gone. Well, there's a tiny bit left. I'm having a bit of a disaster here. This is all like slipping down. My roof is slipping off and the tiles are slipping off. This is not how this was supposed to go. We've got a solution to me not having to hold it. We've put the house at an angle to try and get it to set. Icing all over the floor. Emily's house has just got an icing explosion on it. My roof has fallen off for the second time now. This is not going well.
Speak for yourself, man. What's banging?
Oh look how pretty yours looks.
Charlie, I don't think those matchstick boxes are doing anything.
They are, no, it is. It's tilting it up so that it's sitting flat
So that
on
it
it.
slides down slower.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, yeah, that ain't sitting flat to me. That's sitting at an angle.
Yeah.
Jamie's taking the piss out of my construction skills. We just transported my house from its little, like,
Oh no, it's
base.
Coming out really quickly.
Oh no, are you having a disaster over there, man?
No, it's a delicious disaster.
It's a delicious disaster.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, it's definitely progressing here. We're getting there. We've been doing gingerbread houses for how long now?
Days.
About days. It's been days, exactly. It's been like 6 hours? 5, 6 hours? 5 hours, yeah, exactly. We're still not quite finished, but we've decided we've got to stop because it's almost 8 o'clock and we're hungry and we're doing pizza for dinner, so I'll show you where we've got to so far. So this is Emily's, her little natural log cabin. It's very cute. It's looking really good. Mine is an utter disaster. I haven't actually even done the front. It took so long to get my blooming roof to stick. We've got dowling in here to try and actually, but I do have trees. I have a garden, so you know, it's all good. We've got bonuses, and I've got
You have snowman.
I've got snowman and a little park.
You shouldn't make it like.
Is yours?
Still in the box. It's sticking.
It's sticking. We put it in a cooler room to try and get it to actually stick. 5 hours of creating.
Mine's just the big reveal.
A lifetime of memories.
A lifetime of memories, exactly. Forever on YouTube, it's all good. Yay! I hope you guys have enjoyed lots of wholesome and Christmas things today. I'm just going to put you down there again. I've got to get back to my favourite place by the fire. There we go. Oh, it's so cozy, and I'm kind of a bit sad that we have to go back to Australia and it's summer, and it's like, it's just not my thing. I like the cold. So this is officially the last Christmas special for this year. I am obviously going to be still filming, ready for next year. I'll obviously want to show what we got up to, like Christmas Eve and Christmas Day with my family. So that'll all be in next year's Christmas special. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with me, sharing a little bit of our, you know, British Christmas traditions and a little bit of our cozy, wholesome Christmas things, you know. It's just been, oh, it's been so nice to be here. I really, really miss it. And honestly, this house is like the perfect Christmas house. I just feel so unbelievably lucky. Even just to have a fireplace. I mean, oh my goodness. Really? It's just, oh, so... just this is my happy place. As you can tell, I'm just really, really happy. We've only got, well, when this goes live, we'll only have a week left in the UK. And I actually don't even know when we're going to be coming back again. The baby is due in April, so things are going to be very, very hectic. Our lives when we get back to Australia are super hectic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching the whole series. Everyone that has dropped me a comment or hit that like button really, really makes a difference. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell, because then you won't miss one of my videos, because YouTube is not the best at showing you when I publish a video. Next year there's going to be so much more exciting stuff coming up. There's going to be loads more just general adventures and running a business with a family and all this sort of stuff. There's going to be loads more raw mum stuff as well. So if you are here for the mum content, then I got you, because I'm going to be doing a lot of that sort of stuff. So many things happening. Oh, it's gonna be big. Anyway, Merry Christmas, and we will see you all really soon.